Alright, XOLs, what is going on? Welcome back or welcome to the channel if you're new, and welcome to EXO week. So this week, of course, I made a post saying that this entire week we're going to have at least one video a day or more of EXO. I'm super excited, of course, to do this. This is something I've been thinking about doing, not just for EXO, but for other groups as well, to really help me get back into digging more into them. Obviously, we have so many groups we're doing on the channel that it's hard to really give everyone the fair spotlight, right? The fair time, the fair rotation that I wanted to. So this is it. This is what we're doing. So other than that, before we get into this video, quick Patreon plug. If you head on over to Patreon, you can join for free. I'll link it in the description below. Once there, you can see free things like unfiltered videos that get blocked here on the channel. You can also choose to subscribe for higher tiers, and you get exclusive stuff like 2 weeks early access to album reactions before they go up here on the channel. So the album reactions that you see that come out here on YouTube, I'm usually 2 weeks ahead up on Patreon. And also, you get exclusive series like variety shows. You get exclusive things to like concert reactions, survival shows like Kingdom Legendary War, for example. That's all going to be up on Patreon, so feel free to check that out. But we have here a live medley. We have EXO, White Noise, plus Thunder, plus Playboy, plus Artificial Love, which I'm super excited to check out. Their live stuff is always fantastic, of course, and in particular, I just happened to react to their, as of this video anyway, Overdose album, which I believe had Thunder and Artificial Love on it, which were awesome, very good stuff. And then White Noise and Playboy, I don't remember off the top of my head. I don't know if I've heard them or not yet, but I'm excited. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, this is very loud. I actually have to turn it down a bit. There we go. Okay. Ooh. Oh, we got, okay. Okay. There's my boy Schumann. Let's go, dude. Okay, we got all 9? Is this all 9 members? I'm trying to... Hold on, boys. Give me a minute. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5... I think there's... Is there 9? That's what it looks like. 9 members. Hey. Okay. Hey. Hey. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, damn, that's pretty good. Look at that shot.
Don't you worry, baby.
Hey. Okay. Oh, this is... Look at my boy Suho in the middle. Hey. Hey. Okay. Hey. I'm pretty sure that's Chango. Hey. Yep, Sehun. Okay. Get it? Hey. Hey. Okay. Now that's Kai, I'm pretty sure. I haven't seen much of Kai. I'll have to take a look. Maybe I'll pick some solo Kai videos this week to check out. Is this Thunder now? Yep, it is. Oh, see, I like that. See, it's the thing too, right? Is being entertainers, right? It's like, yeah, singing. Of course, they got the choreo and everything down, but when you're on stage, you know, that sort of, you have an opportunity to, you know, obviously you have these detailed and intricate performances that you set up, but also there's some freedom on there, right, to play to the fans and stuff like that. So that's an important factor to have too, and they always do it. That was smooth too. That spin and sit by Dio, nice. The hesitation, like oh. Cute. Okay. Hey. Chill out. You guys got to stop that. You've been killing people out here. Wow, did you see that? That dude. That was crazy. I think that's Kai, if I'm not mistaken. And just like the duality, look at the duality switch immediately. The face is crazy. Dude was all smiles and then got in serious mode. Alright. Hit it. Woo! Jeez. Hey. 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 Alright, Sehun, give it to us, brother. Chanyo. Hey. Ooh, a little bit of ending fairy.
Hey, Playboy.
Excuse me? Excuse me? Oh my god. Y'all be killing people. What are you doing? Hey. Ooh. Okay. They be doing that too much in this. Y'all, I'm telling you. Dead. Oh. I was gonna say, is that Baekhyun being crazy? Hey. I can't imagine playing in a place like this. Oh, what is this? Okay, so this is... what is this? Artificial Love. Okay. We're gonna get Kate choreo? Alright. Killers. Killers. Okay. Ooh, that was smooth. Wow. The amount they had to put in to practice this. Jesus Christ. They really said they were going to kill people today. They said, our goal, kill. Hey. Ooh. Whoa. No. Go back. This part's really interesting because I don't know all who's doing it. I think it's Chanyeol, maybe Xiumin. I don't know. I'm trying to think of everyone who's... But the way it's played in the headphones is awesome because it's like you'll have each side, but also like both. There's someone in the middle, so it's like it transitions from right to... Ooh, that's so cool. For a live? Yeah, that's cool. And of course, the choreo is awesome.
You know why
Woo! Jeez. Bro, Schumann was getting into it. Oh. Hey. Ooh. How are you singing like that while dancing like this, bro? I don't get it. Okay, Baekhyun, jeez. Alright. My brain can't. Hey, hey, hey! Ooh, the shoulders. Let's go. Alright, the camera's just going right in. The camera said, "We're going right in, bro." Ooh, a little like in place moonwalking almost. Okay. Oh, what? Blindfold? Was this Kai and Lei, I think? Are they all doing it, or is it just them? No, it just looks like them. Ugh. Wow. Blindfolded. Like, to have to know your placement, it's so impressive. You gotta know your placement, you gotta be confident that the person that you're doing with knows their placement, and dancing on this moving, small platform. So crazy. So crazy. Hold on, I'm not doing that right now. Chill out. Maybe I'll do that at some point, but not right now. What I was thinking about, especially during, those parts, the parts with the cane. Okay, the parts I'm going to talk about. But it's funny because I'm watching it and I was thinking, like, we all know that a lot of, most K-pop members, right, in groups and stuff like that, have that duality. Where it's like they're completely different off stage than they are on stage. And I always think about, it's funny imagining like the more reserved and quiet members doing stuff that's like totally they would never even think about doing in like a setting off stage. But when you get on stage, you're a different person almost, right? It's like an alternate persona of yourself. So it's just funny because I just imagine like, and I don't. That's one thing with like EXO is I don't know their offstage personas as much as I do some other groups. A little bit, but not enough. I think that's why obviously like variety shows I think are awesome, right? I think variety shows because you really get to see who they are in a setting, in a just a typical setting, come through more. So definitely, of course, EXO variety shows will be a thing, and compilations and stuff like that I like to check out. But so it's funny to me because I'm just like I am wondering like which member, if there is any, there might not be, but which member is more like one who you would never expect, like outside of this of a performance to do the things like they'd be like normally no. And I wonder too, like they must obviously they're not. I don't think they're going to do anything that they're too uncomfortable with, and I'm sure, being in the industry, they've already dealt with stuff that they've, kind of has toughened them pretty much right over the course of time. But it's always fun to see. Yeah, I mean, I've said this before, but EXO's live performances are always incredible. They deliver, right? They're always just, I mean, you see the buckets of sweat that they put into a lot of their performances. What was it? Was it EXO Planet 4? I'm not sure if it was EXO Planet 4 or not. I can't remember off the top of my head, but it's one of the live reactions I did where dudes are wearing some of the heaviest clothes possible, like jackets, heavy Letterman jackets and like heavy jackets on top of shirts and dancing crazy, and you could just see them like sweating through their clothes. Like they are, like that's crazy, I mean, they really go all out for their stuff. So that is it for this particular video. Fantastic as always. Like the blindfold stuff, right? Like favorite thing was Artificial Love, probably just because of the cane, right? The cane was really cool, the cane stuff. And then the blindfold with which I said I believe it's Lay and Kai. I think Kai was the blonde hair, and then Lay was the dark hair, sort of like cut around the sides and slicked back. Those two members I've said before I'm not as familiar with, other than the other guys. Of course, we'll have to fix that. But yeah, very good stuff. Looking forward to continuing this week. Thank you guys for checking this out. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Peace.